Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, which is Lifelines, and this video is going to be something different from my others previous videos. And since this content is very popular and very known content, that is why I have decided to make it in English, and no one can understand if I do it in Bengali. That is why I have decided to make it in English. And as you can see in my title shows that I am doing a haul video right now, today's video, and this is something different because it is a Miniso haul video, guys. And before getting started, please make sure that you subscribe my channel and also hit on that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that all time you notified whenever I post a new video. So now let's get into the video. So as you guys know that I am staying in Mumbai right now, and I have been staying here for 2 to 3 months, and I will stay here 2 to 3 months more. So actually guys, I don't have so much knowledge about Mumbai city and where to shop and how to shop. So I actually randomly searched in Google that where is Miniso store here and nearby near me, and Google shows me that it is in RCT Mall, and I suddenly went there and I picked up a few things, but unfortunately they don't have so many collection because they told us because of this situation, COVID situation, they don't have so many stock right now. So I have to pick up some few things and which is useful. Yeah, they have some things, but they are not my things. I don't need them right now. So I have this bag right now. Also this bag has no printed Miniso logo. They don't have bag also. So first thing I picked up from there, this U-shaped pillow, foam U-shaped pillow, which is very useful, and this color is awesome, and actually I love this one, and this is very useful for your flight, for your study. And the beautiful thing is you can wash it off, and you can take it off and wash it, and after that you can make it as before. It is 490 rupees, and this is the first thing I have from Miniso. So second thing I have the placemat. This is very useful thing, and the print is very nice, and that is why I picked up. This is a very nice green color mat, 2 pieces, and it costed me around 260. This is only 260 bucks, and the print was very nice. That is why I picked up randomly, and I don't know how the quality is, but maybe it's quite good. Okay, the third thing, this this cotton pads. This is square cotton pads, and it has 180 pieces, and this is a very useful thing. Every girl should buy this if they went Miniso. They are very cheap, and they are very useful, and the quality is very good. 150 rupees for 180 pieces. It's quite cheap and quite good. Okay, so fourth I have the perfumes, Miniso perfume. So this is the perfume I have from there. I got this ginger white. I heard so many good reviews about Miniso perfumes. I don't know why they don't have so many collections. They told us they don't have collection right now because of COVID situation. So every fragrances are something they smells very cheap and very common. That is why I don't picked up. The packaging was very good, but the fragrances, the smell is very cheap. That is why I don't picked up. But this is something different from all of them. This is called ginger white EDT. It is Eau de Toilette, and it is 50 ml. It costed me 460 rupees, 460 bucks, and the container, the packaging is very nice, very good. This white color ginger white container, this is very nice kind of fragrance, and this yeah, it's good. It's also very common fragrance. It is not very floral, not very fruity, I don't know guys the top note, middle note and the base note, but it is nice, beautiful, but yeah, it's musky kind of fragrance, and you like it. It's not going to be painful for you, and they lasted for 3 hours only, but 460 bucks and 3 hours fragrance, it's quite good. And next I have this Wild Warrior EDT for my husband, and it is also very common fragrance, but the packaging and the price is very cheap. That is why I picked up, and the smell is quite good. This is how it looks like. This is the bottle, this is the container, and it is also a EDT. It is 50 ml container and costed me around 460 bucks. It is also 460 rupees. Let me so okay, this is nice, very nice packaging, very nice fragrance, but I heard Miniso perfumes are great, but I don't get them there RCT mall, and I have to visit another store again for perfumes, because I am a very perfume fragrancy girl. And next I have cute cute towel, face towel. This is very cute. This is an owl, and this is the color of something very nude color, and they have so many colors in that style. You can pink color, baby pink color, you can get greeny color, nude colors, some nude colors are there, and it is only 190 rupees. So very nice kind of quality, and very nice looking hand towel, face towel. So next I have here another fragrance, which is deodorant body spray, Sunset Purple. It is for 75 ml and it is only for 90 rupees. This is how it looks like, and it is very fresh and very powdery kind of smell, like any powder. Yeah, very fresh kind of body mist. It is only 90 rupees. I only picked up this body mist, body spray, deodorant spray. And next I have a very beautiful thing, 2 scented candles, which okay, so first one is Miniso Elegant Series Scent Candle Pure Jasmine. This is scented candles. You can smell it from here. It is a taster out there. Packaging. So it is 150 gram and it is 190 rupees. This is really very cheap, guys, and you can buy it from there. And so many varieties, so many fragrance, so many fragrances are there in scented candles, but I picked up this one, Pure Jasmine. It is only 190 rupees, and I will show you how it looks. Yeah, it looks like this. This is a glass container, and in the glass you can see the candle, and this is a jasmine flavor, 190 rupees, and this one is Miniso Inkjet Series Scent Candle Vanilla Latte, and it is also 190 bucks. Okay, I will show you. Okay, this is how the bottle looks like. Is it so? It is so nice and very classy looks, very classy, and the smell is vanilla. I love vanilla flavor, so that is why I picked this one, vanilla and jasmine. And so many fragrance, so many kind of fragrances are there, so you can get there which you like. And next I have this Blackhead Scrubber, 2 brushes, and this is very useful thing. It costed me around 190 bucks, only 190 bucks for these 2 Blackhead brushes, Blackhead Scrubber. Very easy to use. Let me check it, the quality, how the quality is. So yeah, this is a kind of brush, and the head of the brush is a silicone material, and the end of this you have a small tiny hole that you can rub it off your blackheads and whiteheads, and you can brush your nose like that. So it is a very useful thing. And I have again a 3-in-1 long lasting formula eyeliner, eyebrow and eyebrow brush. This is 3-in-1 eyeliner, eyebrow pencil and the eyebrow brush. So this is a very useful thing. Actually I don't use this one but I really need eyebrow pencil. I saw it and I bought it. So finally I have only three things right now, and 2 things is nail polishes, and they have so many colors, nude colors, pastel colors and nice shades they have in nail polishes. Very nice kind of shade, this one and this one. It is only for 90 bucks. This is very cheap and very nice colors and quite long lasting, not very cheap. And this is also a nail polish remover. This is also a 90 rupees, no 85 rupees. So yeah, this is what I have purchased from Miniso, guys, and I am really not satisfied really not satisfied in RCT Mall Miniso store, because they don't have so many collections, and I really need some cute and useful stuffs over there, but they don't have. So I have to visit another store again, Miniso store again. And that's it, guys. If you like this video and if you like me, so please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, which is Lifelines, and also hit on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that all time you notified whenever I post a new video. And also you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is showing you. And okay, right now bye bye and see you soon in my next vlog. Ta-da!